rebound 7.
Receive rebound. 7.
Steal 92. Dribbling relation.
Bye.
10 seconds shot clock. Defensive rebound 42. Steal 25. Steal 19. Seven, 2 points. Rebound 41. Steal 25. Rebound 19. Ten second shot clock. 5 second shot clock. It's a rebound 42. Foul.
73.
73.
First foul.
First personal foul.
Tulog.
Shooter. 25, 2 points. Assist 73.
Sayang sir. Thank you. Number 1 sana kayo eh.
10 second shot clock.
1 pa rin naman sila eh. 1 pa rin sila.
5 second shot clock.
Wala.
Shot clock violation. Shot clock.
Umalis na ang kanin.
Defensive rebound 73. Rebound 41. Rebound 26. Seventy-three, 2 points.
Asa ni Clip? Hodge. Tres.
24, 3.
Panis.
Rebound 42. Great ball, 2 points.
Tay. Wala pa rin.
Rebound 19. 10-second shot clock. 5-second shot clock.
Sa gitna eh.
Rebound 73. Wow. The 42.
First foul.
Change 5. Change 5.
Spike.
Subdivision. Change 5.
11. 1. Si sir. 0-0 tsaka 44. Basket. Static. Dalawa. Static.
Ten second shot clock.
Patay. Wara.
Out of bounds.
Miss.
Foul.
Miss foul.
0-0.
0. First foul.
First personal foul. Timeout, block.
Block. Magaling si Kuya Kevin. Bilis.
Relax mo yung sarili mo. Dahil mo open shot mo. Relax mo. Relax mo na. Eh, Sam! Sam! Bitaw mo na agad. Huwag ka na mag-hesitate. Okay na ba yun? Cross-press tayo.
Ah, ganun. Ha? Ah, ganun?
Sabi natin yung gusto nila.
Ganun?
Hindi natin maaawat eh.
Sir. Sir. Isa pa.
Bakit?
Masok eh.
Hindi ko ano yun. Hindi tira yun. Hindi ko ano yun.
Iyan mo. Isa pa. Yan, pasok. Pumasok tuloy. 10. Boom.
47, 2 points.
Away. Walo.
Foul, 47.
47. First foul.
First personal foul.
Dapat pinabago.
Out of bounds.
Turnover. 33.
Rebound 33.
Rebound.
Defensive rebound 73. Foul. 53.
Dalawa na.
Second personal foul.
Masa.
53 points.
Maganda laruan ni Masa ngayon.
Rebound 53. Steal 47.
Wala pa rin.
Rebound. Offensive rebound. Felix.
47 points.
Ito.
Ten seconds shot clock. Rebound for the ball. 7-3 points.
Lima. Habol pa. Okay, wala siya. Wala siya.
10 seconds shot clock. Two points.
Tres.
They won 19. Rumbling violation. Rumbling.
Mabilis eh.
So the shooter 2 points.
11.
50 seconds.
Points na.
Felix Barat.
40 seconds. 32 points. Out of bounds.
Lost the ball.
Ten seconds shot clock. 10 seconds.
Block. Thank you, sir.
Kick ball. Time remaining 9 seconds. 5 seconds.
Aboy.
Still 19.
Ano, pero yun.
And second quarter.